Hello and welcome back. In today's video we're gonna change the wiper blades in a Honda Civic 2016 or 10th generation. As a note, the driver's side is longer than the passenger side, and these are the part numbers. This is the small one and this is the large one. The first step will be find which side of the blade is loose, because one can be tight, the other one no, which is this case. And then from here we're gonna pull it back and then pull it out. Now with my new blade I'm gonna pull it back in the similar way. Once this is in, we're gonna pull it down just to be sure that it's not gonna come off, and we're done with this one. I placed this box because the light was not letting me have a good shot, but let's repeat the process in the passenger side. Let's place back the new blade. And let's ensure that it will fit all the way in. And with this we're done. Less than 10 minutes, both wiper blades. If the video was useful for you, I do appreciate if you hit like and subscribe. Thank you.